Another more specific managerial course is the project manager in IT, in construction, in marketing. If you're in those technological companies, you will need somebody who is overseeing everything that's going on there as the project manager. So this course seeks to equip learners with those skills. The knowledge modules include introductory studies for project managers, also your project integration management, understanding how the project can be integrated and is aligning with your organizational goals in the organization. Also the project scope management, coming up with the boundaries of what should be included and what should not be included within the project, making sure we do not have that scope creep. Also time management, those punctual individuals, you need to be creating those schedules and allocating individuals their tasks and making sure everyone sticks to the timelines. Cost management, making sure the budget's maintained and we do not have any overruns. Also quality management, in as much as we want to be maintaining the budget, we also want to make sure it still meets the quality standards that the project is supposed to have in the end. And also human resources management, you are managing your team, you're managing the human resources that are part of that project. We're also learning about communications management. Again, communication is an instrumental part of management, as you will be dealing with a lot of various individuals, a diverse group of people. And risk management, understanding the risks that are involved within the space of the project that you are managing. And also procurement management, dealing with your vendors, suppliers, make sure they are coming up or supplying whatever goods that we need or services that we need in due time as your schedule specifies. And if there are any issues, we are also communicating everything to the stakeholders who are involved within the project. It could be the community, the customers, senior management, and the like. So these are the futuristic programs that are on offer at iFundi. I hope you are excited to choose at least one of those so that you can equip yourself to be fourth industrial revolution.